I'm Wes Smuts and welcome to 175 Robinson Street in Frenchville. This high-set home features 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, sits on a generous corner block and has a fantastic location. My favorite feature of this house must be the hardwood floors. Those very same hardwood floors sit under the carpet, ready to lift up and polish out. So if a lick of paint, a little bit of floor polishing, and a kitchen update is something that you have appetite for, 175 Robinson is the perfect starter home or great investment. For more information on how this low maintenance corner block home can be yours, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts.